Hello Crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I am back today with an exciting announcement. As I teased yesterday, I am going to be challenging myself in the month of November to have a no spend on craft supplies month. I want to do this because I have so many tools and products and stamps that I want to use. Instead of going out and buying more new stuff, I want to use what I have and have some fun in the process. And I figure I am probably not the only one of us crafters who would like to do this and use their stash. So what I thought I would do is challenge you, my subscribers, to join me for the month. And then what I'm going to do is my no spend is going to be your gain. I'm going to be giving all of the details and rules and specifics of how you can join me in this video. So it will probably be a long one. You might want to pause the video here, go get a snack, a beverage, and then come back and hit play and find out what's going to happen. Alrighty, do you have that drink and that snack? If so, let's go ahead and learn more. Throughout the month, I want to do at least 15 videos where I give myself a personal challenge that allows me to use my crafty stash. I would then like you to participate in that challenge using, again, just stuff from your stash. Please don't go out and buy new stuff. And then, when all of the challenges have been given and you've had time to complete your projects and enter them, I will be giving away 3 prizes. I will tell you about those prizes here in just a little bit, but first, let's find out who can enter. To be eligible to enter into the giveaway, you must be a public subscriber to my channel. That means I must be able to see you in my subscriber list. If you're not sure if you follow YouTubers publicly, I know that you can Google that or maybe even check here on YouTube how to put your settings so you follow channels publicly. Secondly, you do need to be at least 18 years or older to enter to win. And because I'm kind of celebrating my 3,000th subscriber, I am going to open this to US and international subscribers. And now for what you can win. I will have 3 prizes, and each of them will be for online gift cards or e-gift cards to a crafting store of your choice. Now, there are some exceptions to that. I will not do sites like AliExpress or Wish just because they do profit off other artists' work. But you can do like Amazon, scrapbook.com, Simon Says Stamp, any place that you know that I can get you an online gift card to. Now I will also do, like I mentioned, Amazon, and if you are an international winner, you will need to have a PayPal account, and then I will just gift you the amount through PayPal. There will be $50 in prizes. The grand prize is a $25 gift card. Second place, $15, and third place, a $10 gift card. And to get the legal mumbo jumbo out of the way, please know that this giveaway is in no way, shape, or form sponsored by YouTube, and I will actually link their community guidelines below, which tells you a little bit more, like they won't take liability and that I am solely responsible for this giveaway. Okay, I hope that you don't mind that I'm going to interrupt the rules for just a second. I am editing this video and I am over 10 minutes so far. So I wanted to let you know that I will have some timestamps in the description below. Now you will want to listen to this all one time, but if you need to come back later to see specifics about how you enter, I will have timestamps to each of those. For each challenge, there will be 4 different ways you can play along, even though my slide says 3. It's actually 3 point levels. First of all, you can create a project and share it on YouTube. Secondly, which is kind of 2 parts, you can do an Instagram post or a blog post. And finally, because I know not all of you share your creations online or have a YouTube channel where you upload, so I will also accept emailed photo entries. I hope that if you want to play along, that there is a way that you can join us. So that's why I'm having these different options. So I will be telling you here in a little bit how many entries each of the ways above are worth, but first I do want to mention that you may only enter each challenge once. So you can't make a video and a blog post and email it and add up those entries. It is one or the other. The project that you share for the entry must follow the challenge, and it must be a new project that you've never shared online, and it can only use items, tools, etc. from your stash. That is the whole point of this challenge, is to put our stuff to use. If you would like to share your project in a YouTube video, you are going to get 4 entries into each challenge that you successfully complete. In your video, you must mention my YouTube channel. You must say what challenge you are completing and how your project follows the challenge. And I will provide you with links, hashtags, and text to use in your video description. Now, you are welcome to add stuff, but everything I provide you does have to be included. And it will just, include my Call Me Crafty Owl No Spend November hashtag, links back to my channel and my challenge video, and then maybe just some text about it. It's not much, but it does have to be included. You must also like the specific challenge video that you are creating your video for. So let's say I have a challenge where I want you to use a stamp set that's more than 3 years old. You would create your video, say that you got the challenge from me, tell me what stamp set you're using and how old you think it is if you're not for sure, and then in your video description you will put the text that I give you. Once you have posted your video, you will go back to the stamp set challenge video. You will give that video a thumbs up, and you will leave a link to your video in the comments of that video. Now, I know that it will probably send your comment to spam because it includes a link, but I will go in there and make sure to approve all of those comments and come see your video. If you would like to play along with me via Instagram posts, each of the completed challenges that you enter will get you 2 entries into the giveaway drawing. You must share a photo of your new project. Follow me on Instagram, and I am at Call Me Crafty Owl. If your Instagram is not public, you will need to accept my follow request so I can see your post. In your Instagram post, you must link my Instagram account and use the provided hashtags that I give you and tag me on your photo. Once you have done that, you're going to come back to the specific challenge that you're following. For instance, if you were following that old stamp set, you would go back to that video, give it a thumbs up, and in the comments, you would leave me just a little note that you completed the challenge and tell me your Instagram name. If you are going to be playing along on your blog, each of your completed challenges, sharing a new project, will get you 2 entries as well. Your blog post must use all of the provided text, hashtags, and links. You can of course add more, but it does need to include that at a minimum. And then when you have that blog post up, you're going to go back, like the specific challenge video that you are entering, and leave a comment on that video with a link to your blog post. So once again, if you were doing the old stamp set, you would make the blog post with the information I give you, come back to the old stamp set challenge video, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment with a direct link to your blog post in it. And for my crafty friends who do not share their creations online, you may send me a photo of your new project following the challenge and get one entry into the final drawing. You will send me the email at callmecraftyal@gmail.com, and you must have your photo attached, of course. Let me know which challenge you are completing and how your project follows the challenge. In the email, you must include your YouTube account name, and then once you've sent that email, come back to the specific video of the challenge you are completing, give it a thumbs up, and then leave me a comment letting me know that you sent the email, and include the first 3 letters of your email address. And this is just so later, when I create my spreadsheet, I can match your email address up with your YouTube account name and get you all of the entries that you deserve. Once the month is over and all of the challenges have been completed and submitted, I hope to share a slideshow video where I show some of the non-YouTube video projects. So please note that if you do the Instagram, blog post, or email entry, I will be using your picture in a video. So please make sure to add any personal watermarks you want on your photo before submitting them. Good news, there will be bonus entry opportunities sprinkled throughout my videos in the month of November. Now, to earn these extra entries, you do have to participate in at least one of the challenges, but I'm going to start with the bonus entry opportunity right now. So if you know you're going to play along, leave me a message below with the hashtag #IamGoingToPlay, and if you do participate in a challenge throughout the month, I will give you 2 extra entries. Thank you so much for hanging in there this long. The video is almost over, but before we do that, I have some important dates for you. Like I say, I hope to post at least 15 videos this month with a Use Your Stash, No Spend challenge, and the last one will be posted on or before November 30th. You will then have until December 15th to complete your projects and get those entered in whichever way you choose. And then on January 1st, 2019, I will announce the winners. Please keep in mind, some of the bonus entry opportunities will have different deadline dates, but if they do, that will be specific on the video. I am so excited to get this month started. I am looking forward to using some tools and products that have not been seen or used in a long time, and I hope that doing this will inspire you to maybe use something you have instead of going out and buying more, and then be entered to win some great prizes. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in a comment below, because you probably aren't the only one with that same question. So until my first video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.